Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Now, listen, I am a student of YouTube University. I watch quite a few videos per day, and recently I decided I wanted to take YouTube seriously again. I had accumulated a great number of subscribers. I'd lost my monetization. Very sad. There is a video that I have right here that will tell you about that. And I decided I wanted to try again. I said, let me get back on YouTube. Let's get the spark back. Let's get things going. And so I watch a lot of videos. And some of the videos that I've been watching, the title's been, okay, how YouTube changed my life with under 500 subscribers or however many subscribers. Okay. So I said, well, maybe I'm doing something wrong. I said, let me make my own video. Okay. And let me tell you that YouTube has changed my life, but probably not in the way that you're thinking. There have been no $1 million paychecks, no exotic vacations funded by ad revenue, and guess what? No viral fame, which I'm okay with that. Okay? Because I don't want to be known by everyone because that can be a little weird. But I will tell you that with less than 10,000 subscribers, I can confidently say that YouTube has not changed my life all that much. Let's be honest. So let's talk about the expectations versus reality. Let's rewind a little bit. Like most creators, I started this channel with big dreams. I imagined growing a huge audience. I said I'm going to make a steady income, and eventually I wanted to say I do YouTube full time, and I wanted to say that confidently and not with the okay kind of a sheepish kind of scared look because I didn't think it was successful. I wanted to be that success story. But let me tell you, spoiler alert, that didn't happen. Okay. The reality is that with I've got about 9,000 subscribers. Okay. YouTube has not really been life changing. In fact, I will say I've had some small wins, like getting monetized briefly. That was great. Yay. I love that. Connecting with some awesome people. Okay. I've learned a lot about content creation, but has it significantly improved my life? Am I ready to quit my job? Am I ready to? Yeah, no, no, that has not happened. Now, I will admit that there's one thing that YouTube has done for me. And every now and again, I do love this. Someone does recognize me or mentions my videos, and I do feel like a little mini celebrity, and that's great. That's good for my ego. That's wonderful. I mean, because who doesn't like feeling seen or validated every once in a while? But let's put it in perspective though. It's not like I'm getting mobbed by fans or signing autographs at the grocery store or getting stopped and asked what that's not happening. Okay. The interesting part is that I don't think I want that much to happen. However, I would like some views. Okay. Let's talk about the truth of being a small content creator on YouTube. It's hard, okay? You spend hours brainstorming, you're filming, you're editing, you're uploading. And by the way, you could be balancing a full-time job, family, life in general. And the payoff, sometimes it feels like you're just screaming into the void because you put up this video and you're like, oh my goodness, this is great. This is wonderful. And 10 people see it. Okay. Now, I am not, I am not uh, kind of crushing the folks, the 10 people who are watching. In fact, shout out to you all. Shout out to the folks who are watching this video. Give me a thumbs up to let me know that you've seen this. But I would say that it can be draining to put so much effort into content only to feel like it's not reaching as many people as you'd hope. And when you compare yourself to other people, which comparison is the thief of joy, and that somebody said, okay, you have to be careful because you start to wonder, is this worth it? Is this even worth it? Or is it time to quit? Now, I'm not going to lie. Tell y'all the truth. I've thought about throwing in the towel when growth is slow and the rewards feel small and the algorithm, Al Gore is not doing what he needs to do. Okay. It's not on your side. It's tempting to say, you know what? Maybe this is not my ministry. This is just not for me. But I think about the few people who have said, hey, your videos help me, or you do such a great job, or please, more videos. I love your content. Okay. It makes me pause and not be a quitter. Okay. Even if it's just one person, is that enough? That's what I think about. Okay. I'm sharing this. Why? Okay. I'm being vulnerable. I'm sharing this. Why? Because I know I'm not alone. Okay. I know there are thousands of small creators that are out there grinding, wondering if their hard work will ever pay off. And here's what I want you to know. It's okay to feel discouraged. It's okay to question as to whether or not this is the right path for you. Now, a lot of people, when they saw Dodash, who shout out to Dodash, who is still out there doing her thing, we were inspired. We were motivated to get out there and do the same thing. And we want to make $9,000 a month. And we want to, and then we got on and we made videos and good content, and it just didn't happen. Okay. So here's what I'm going to say for sure. I haven't made the decision yet, but I did want to have an honest conversation about what this journey has been like. It's not all bad, but it's not all good either. Okay. So now, guess what? I'm turning it over to you. Are you a small creator? Are you thinking about starting a channel, or are you thinking about throwing in the towel on the one you have? You started, you were excited, and then you said, bump this. I could have had a V8. I could have done something different. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your story. And if you've been enjoying my content, originally I shared a lot of content about side hustles, side gigs, about being a notary. Now I'm talking more about, as a Gen X, the last step in my career and how I'm going to bridge countdown to clocking out, the last 5 years of my career, and how am I going to kind of plan out what's next. That's what I talk about on this channel. If you like that content, a like or a subscribe goes a long way in keeping me motivated because, it's about me. Let's be honest. And it's about you. It's about you. Now, because even if this channel hasn't changed my life, knowing that's made a small difference in someone else's life, you know, that's enough for now. So until next time, and there'll probably be a next time. Until next time, goodbye.